Just wanted to make a quick video of this lovely old TV repair book, magazine kind of book, softcover book that I got. I got this with a bunch of radio repair and ham radio magazines from this antique sort of store that used to be here, and Vanderson TV's latest video kind of inspired me to want to just show this. I was thinking of making a video of this book anyways, and this is all tube stuff. I don't know what year this actually is. It says February 14th. I can't find a year anywhere, but it's pretty neat. I imagine it's late 50s, maybe early 60s. I have a few tube type TVs and one great big black and white TV with all octal tubes and doors that open. I think it's a Philips. It's in the kitchen, and my webcam won't reach, but I'll have to get a better camera or something and maybe make a video of that. But I'll just show this book quickly. And I did read some of the articles in here on how television actually works, cathode ray tubes and everything. Some really neat stuff in here. I'll make a whole bunch more videos of the different articles in here. Okay, let's just see here. Okay, show a little bit of this for now anyways. Here's how it's done. Learn these simple tricks used by professional TV repairmen, and you can easily handle 80% of all TV breakdowns. Okay. Here is a woman in probably a drugstore using the tube tester machine. Do-it-yourself tube testers are available. Can be handy gadgets. Oops. Handy gadgets if you know some of their limitations. Okay. There was an article in here about the high voltage cage. I want to find it. Where is it? Oh, here we are. Yeah, I remember I read this is cool. Troubleshooting the high voltage section. Look at that great big rectifier, flyback transformer, and rectifier, high voltage rectifier tube. And these, when I was a kid, these my stepfather used to fix TVs, and he had a lot of old tube TVs laying around, and or you'd see them on the street in the garbage or whatever. But used to kind of freak me out. The the flyback transformer with the wax and the donut sort of shape thing, and all the weird wax, and kind of a weird weird time. Okay. As we've already discovered, the horizontal pulse produced in the HO, I don't know, and amplified in the horizontal output and amplified in the horizontal output tube for the purpose of swinging the electron ray across the screen has an additional function, the production of very high voltage needed to create brightness on the face of the picture tube. In order for the electron ray to reach the phosphor face, a high voltage of about 13,000 volts plus or minus a few thousand volts must be applied to the picture tube. By taking a sampling of the horizontal pulse and properly utilizing it, the TV set can produce high voltage as a byproduct. Some really neat stuff in here. High voltage section trouble chart. Symptoms and remedies. I'll make some better videos of some of the stuff in here later on. Oh, here's a thing. Here's selenium, early, I guess, selenium rectifiers. It says, there's one circuit in the television receiver upon which all the rest depend. The circuit, the heart of your TV set, is the power supply. The remaining sections of a television set act in one way or another to help create picture and sound. If the power supply goes dead, none of them will function. Okay. And there was something in here I remember reading about selenium rectifiers burning out and the really awful smell that causes. Let me find it. Oh, here. Never say die with picture tubes. CRT troubles look bad, but don't buy a new tube till you've read this. But anyways, I'll make some future videos of maybe some of the articles in there at a later time.